Welcome back to CAD Station. Today we are going to draw this part. We are going to use simple extrude command and extrude boss base and as well as extrude cut. And here we are going to use a chamfer for this taper plane. Let me show you. This is the isometric view of our drawing from which we are going to draw. So let's just start. First go to new, we have to draw a part. Okay, then I'm going to, first of all, I request you to stop the tutorial and just imagine how, if you are going to draw, then how you can draw. So and then try to do yourself and follow the tutorial. Now I'm going to draw first of all this L shape in front plane. Okay, I'm going to select front plane, sketch and line command. Then vertical to origin, to the origin I'm going to just roughly sketch a L shape here. Now press escape, select this line, press Ctrl and select this line and make a relation equal. Now what dimension we have? This height is of 1696 smart dimension. This is of 1696 and this side is of 30 plus 34 means 64. This one is of 64. Okay, now how much we have to extrude? If we are going to extrude, then it will be extrude on the back side. So this dimension is 64. So features, extrude boss base, and we have to extrude 64. And as usual, I commonly used to extrude on the back side of the sketch. You may sketch on this direction, but I used to extrude on the back side or in the right side. So okay, now you can see this is the taper side. From bottom it's 34 and upper side is of 30, and these simply vertical side is cut of 30 and horizontal is of 20. So commonly we go to chamfer, and you have used the chamfer of this type. Here is the 5 type of chamfer, and we are going to use this second type. This is the type where we mention two dimensions or two length of the sides. So as you can see, I have told you this is a 20 and this is a 30. So we are going to use 20 and 30. Okay, select this. So it shows first make it 0, make it 0. Okay, now you can see this upper dimension is the dimension of distance from this point to this edge. So I am going to mention 20 and it is 0. Okay, and this is the distance from this point to the this edge. So this is the 30 and okay, it's chamfered. Now here's a slot. Now how can you draw? You can draw by selecting line. First make a line from here to here, make a semicircle, then a line. But draw like this. Select slot, find the midpoint. From midpoint draw a slot, write this. Now go to smart first of all, this is 20 and the die is 16. 20 and 16 is smart dimension. This side is of 20, this side is of 16. Die is 16, so its radius must be 8. Okay, now simply features, extrude, cut, and you have to cut it blind or this one, or you can select through all. It's up to you, you can choose anyone. Okay, now you can see this side and this lower side is done. We have to draw this block. How can you draw this? Simply, here's the dimension 40 by sketch, control 8, select corner rectangle. From this edge, draw this one, smart dimension. This is of 40, so select this line. This is 40, and from this edge to this edge is the distance 22. Select this, select the edge line, and it is 22. Okay, simply you have to extrude it. How much? Here is the 26, so extrude it up to features, extrude. How much you have to extrude? You have to extrude 26. Okay, okay, now you can see here is a semicircle, cut a whole semicircle hole. So this is 24 millimeter dia. Simply select this face, sketch, or you can select the back face. Control 8, go to circle, or you can select arc, find the midpoint, make a circle of its dia is 24, smart dimension, its dia is 24. And now simply go to features, extrude cut, and cut up to through all. Okay, it's done. Now only one thing is left, this triangle. So how can you draw this triangle? Select this face, sketch, control 8, select line command. From this edge to this point, and close this triangle. Okay, press escape. Now you have to extrude it. How much you have to extrude? Here is the dimension 12. Features, extrude, extrude up to 12, but it's going to backside, so click on reverse direction arrow. Okay, now your drawing is complete. Isometric view, change its appearance. Okay, click on this, press control, click here, rotate it, press control and click here, and click on appearance. Okay, click on, now again isometric view, and your drawing is ready. Hope you guys can understand this tutorial. If you like the tutorial, then press the like button and share to your friends, and also subscribe to CAD Station, and invite your friends to like the to subscribe CAD Station. Also follow us on Facebook page, just search CAD Station. Thank you.